Hi, I'm Stuart from SOB Leadworks and welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look to see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, we've got this this entrance porch to lead. Some stunning brickwork there. Right, so as you can see, it's curved. Unfortunately, the builder said they couldn't ply this. I don't know why, but it would have been a lot easier for me if they could have done. Because the lead's going to pick up all of this, and I'm going to have to try to smooth as much of this out as I can. So once we've got it all cleaned up, what we're going to do is measure the circumference from point to point, and then we'll split that into 3 equal bays, work out what lap we need to give it. I'll start with these bottom ones first on both sides. Need weld some clips in the middle of the bay and then get that final one on. So let's get this on the way. Okay, so we've worked out our bay sizes now. We've just got the first one down there cut up, and what I've done is I've bent up 75mm for the upstand, and I've done like a corrugated edge, and that is so that when we sit this on, it's gonna curve round. Okay, that's all those bays on there now. They went round quite well. Wasn't that much of a curve, so it's not too bad. So that's those bays on. Also just dressed down these 2 edges as well, these 2 sides. That one's down, ready for welding. And the same on that one as well. I've just turned a little edge on there as well. It's like a bit neater than just a straight cut. So what I'm going to do now is start concentrating on getting all this front down. Okay, so just getting his front edge down. The builder doesn't want too much of this brickwork covered up, so he's only asked for a 25mm drip. So what I've done basically, I've trimmed it off to 50mm, and I've got a bit of batting, quite a small piece that goes around the curve. Just put that under there, and then just that to that, and just fold that round, and that gives me my 25mm drip. Oops, just walked into the bench. That gives me my 25mm drip. And what we do in a minute, we use a bit of heat and we dress this down against the bricks. Okay, that's gone down quite nicely actually. I'm pretty pleased with that. So what we need to do now, got to weld a corner in there, corner in there. We do the same on the other side. Just one in there, one there. Then we'll come up here, we trim and cut these clips, then we can have a look at this step flashing. Okay, just have a look at this flashing now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this in 3 bits as well. I'm going to bring the first one up to around here somewhere, to make sure it's going to be oversized. So for this we're going to use 300 wide because you lose it on the curve. Just got my first bit there. Once you've got that, you can basically just use that as your template for the others. Just put it on there, just scribe that there, and you can use that all the way around. Okay, that's the first one knocked up, all ready to go. What I tend to do also is just put like a little pencil line where the lead hits, and that way you just trace out to that point, so you're not going to be overrunning. Make your life harder when you come to point it in. Okay, that's all that flashing in now. Went in quite nicely, wasn't too bad. Once you've got one, you can just use that as a template and pretty much just follow that all the way around. So it just leaves now a bit of mastic pointing and give it a coat of oil, and that'll be job done. Okay, that's all the mastic pointing done now, and just giving it a coat of oil as well, so it's darkened it all up lovely. So that is about it. Okay, that's me all done here now. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram at SOB Leadworks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Cheers.